Now it's time for the bonus giveaway. For a limited time, we're giving out $750 cash app to our USA viewers for completing a quick survey. To enter, click the link in the description or scan this special secret QR code. Let me guess, you binge-watch an entire season of your favorite show on Netflix, or binge-watch tons of random videos on YouTube, or watch streams from your favorite streamers on Twitch.
Yeah, I guess you're right.
The point is, I'm sure you spend a lot of time on your phone watching videos that could be funny, inspirational, educational, or literally any video on any platform. Did you know that with that hobby of yours, you can actually get paid a lot of money? It's actually the most popular and up-to-date method of making money online nowadays, because it's literally so amazing that you can access it from the comfort of your own home because it's so simple and perfect for beginners. This method is completely free, and I'll show you how to use this strategy to make more money online by following a few simple steps. For that, don't skip ahead in the video because if you do, you might miss out on some very important information. Let's move on to the first website on your search bar. I want you to type in GrabPoints.com and hit enter. GrabPoints.com is the first website where you can earn large amounts of money online. As you can see right here, you can earn money by watching TV, answering surveys, and completing offers. As a personal preference and what I believe is the best method to make money online, I'll tell you all about the option of watching videos, which is literally the point of this entire video, right? Anyway, there's one thing that I really love about GrabPoints, and that is their payout threshold. You can choose to pay out as little as $5, which is really amazing considering how other websites have much higher payout requirements than this one. You can learn as much as you want right here on this page because everything is presented to you right here. So feel free to navigate around the page and find out everything you need to know. As for me, I'll now teach you how to start your journey right here by creating a free account by filling out your basic information such as your email address and password, and as simple as clicking the sign up now button. Without further ado, allow me to walk you through the entire process after creating a free account. The first thing you'll see here are surveys that you can answer at your leisure time. But since we're focusing on watching videos, let's go ahead and find it. Right here on the left side of the page, you'll see categories titled Surveys, Watches, and Offers. These are the categories that will allow you to earn money, and obviously, I want you to click on the Watch section to begin watching videos and earning more money quickly. Now you may think you don't need to finish this video because you already know about the website. But you are completely wrong because there are some things that can go wrong if you do, and you may miss out on some important information. Returning to the page, you'll be sent to this page, which will seem as follows. When you hover over the symbols, you can see an overview of the work, as well as an information on how many points you can earn and the task instruction. So let's not prolong the agony and click on one of these. And for today, I'll be showing you Lootably. After clicking on the start button, you'll be redirected to this page where you can see the videos that you can watch to begin your money-making journey, as well as the points that you can earn after performing such tasks. So let's go ahead and watch a video. Simply click on one of these videos right here. Then you'll be redirected to this page where you'll have to sign up again so that your credentials are on their system. After you sign up, they'll recommend some videos for you to watch in order to start earning money. It's impossible for you to get bored because their videos are really interesting and fun. And some of them can even teach you a lesson or two. And on the top of that, you get to earn money. Before we go any further, let me clarify that this strategy will not make you a millionaire overnight, so keep that in mind. However, if you follow all of the steps that I mentioned, I guarantee you that you will be able to earn a reasonable amount of money, just enough to keep you going. With that said, let's move on to the second website that I'll introduce in this video, Superpay.me, which has paid out over $4 million to its users. Superpay.me is an amazing app because it will pay you 20 cents just for signing up, which is possibly the easiest 20 cents you've ever made in your entire life. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll have access to a variety of sections right here, including the offer wall, which I'll discuss later. Allow me to help ease any concern you may have about the website's legitimacy. I can assure you that I've done extensive research, and this page right here will undoubtedly put your mind at ease. On the payment proof section right here, you can see thousands of people who have been paid with real money from SuperPay. They present such information with complete transparency. As you can see, the member's name, the date of payment, the payment type, and even the amount. So now you want to be one of these people. All you have to do is go to the offer walls and find the engagement video section right here, because that's what this entire video is all about. You'll then be directed to this page where you can view a variety of videos that you can freely choose from in order to earn money while watching them, because you have complete freedom to find videos that you actually enjoy watching. Remember how you signed up for an account on the previous website? Well, after you click on your chosen video, they will ask you to sign up for an account so that they can track your activity and pay you the appropriate amount based on the number of videos you've watched. Now let me tell you something. A lot of users do not get to earn money because they do not follow the steps that I told you about. To emphasize, make sure you sign up for an account on your chosen video right here on hideout.tv so that you will actually have your money. A few seconds to sign up won't hurt, right? So simply sign up, watch a video, and claim your money. You can cash out your payment back on the superpay.me page by clicking on the reward section and then clicking on this right here that says withdraw cash, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. We're almost done with our last as we move on to website number 4, Swagbucks.com. Like the previous website, Swagbucks is a well-known and well-established platform for making money online, having been featured on BuzzFeed, ABC, The Huffington Post, and other publications. Swagbucks is a highly legitimate website to earn real money. So how does it work? You can get free gift cards and cash for doing everyday things online like shopping, watching entertaining videos, searching the web, and taking surveys. With so many options, let's just focus on making money by watching videos. The process is pretty much the same as the previous websites, where you simply sign up for an account and then go from there. After creating an account, you will have access to a variety of videos that you can watch to earn points on the website. Try to earn as many points as possible, because the more points you have, the more money you can earn. You can then claim your money via PayPal or choose to be compensated in the form of gift cards. Either way, you'll be rewarded with real money for doing something so simple. You've reached the 5th and last website in this video, so go to Picoworkers.com. Picoworkers is a little different from the others in that you'll be clicking on multiple websites to earn money, but it still offers the same accessibility, convenience, and ease of use, so don't be put off. Pico employees will allow you to earn a lot of money by simply clicking on a web page. These job ads can vary in type. For example, some may demand you to view movies to earn money, while others may only require you to click on a website and you're good to go. I saved the best for last for you guys because this website is the quickest way to earn money online. Some job operators may only compensate you for a small amount, but the thing is, you only have to click on websites to earn money very easily. Oh, and job offers refresh every single day, so you'll never run out of tasks to do, thus making your income limitless. With this website, you can choose to perform tasks by watching videos, since that's our main topic for today. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video!